News that's coming in from the state of Uttarakhand. Big cloud burst is now wreaking havoc in Chamoli in Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami is monitoring the rescue operations in Chamoli. One dead in the cloud burst, heavy damage to several properties. Shops, homes, vehicles have been damaged in the cloud burst. The SDRF teams are now conducting rescue operations in Chamoli. Images that you are seeing on your screens coming in from Chamoli, and this is coming unfortunately just days after the flash floods happened in Dharali in the same state. The state of Uttarakhand is now seeing massive damage from Dharali to Chamoli. These are the visuals that you are seeing on your screens. The rescue operations, the SDRF teams are on the spot. Rescue is now being done. Homes, shops, vehicles, almost everything has been damaged in this cloud burst. One person dead in the cloudburst, heavy damage to several properties. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami monitors the rescue operations in Chamoli. Cloudburst wreaks havoc in Chamoli in the state of Uttarakhand. Just a couple of days ago, we saw how there was massive flash floods that took place in Dharali. The rescue teams were being rushed in. Army was roped in. NDRF, SDRF was roped in. The central government had given all the assistance possible. These are the images that you are seeing on your screens of the cloudburst that took place in Chamoli in Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Dhami is now monitoring the rescue operations in Chamoli. One person is dead. Heavy damage is being done to the properties. Homes, shops, vehicles, all have been damaged in cloudburst. SDRF teams conduct rescue operations in Chamoli. The Chief Minister of the state, Pushkar Singh Dhami, is now very closely monitoring the rescue operations. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Dhami is now monitoring the rescue operations in Chamoli. The images that you are seeing on your screens are of the vehicles that have been damaged. Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami very closely monitoring the situation. The SDRF teams have already been roped in. If the situation persists, then we could see the central government also sending in the army, the NDRF for these rescue operations. One person is dead. Heavy damage has been caused to the properties. Those are the images that you are seeing. One girl is still trapped in the debris.